Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Through this video, I am going to help you guys with words which are frequently used in application letters. So let's the journey using the letter A. Able. Able means having the skill, capability, or capacity to perform a specific task or function related to the job you are applying for, accomplish. Explicitly narrating what you've achieved in your career. Accomplishment. A specific, measurable achievement or positive result you achieved in a previous role. Accredited. An institution, like a school or professional organization, has been officially recognized by a relevant authority as meeting a certain standard of quality, signifying that their qualifications are considered valid and reliable. Accurate. You are capable of performing tasks with precision and correctness. It's achieved to successfully accomplish or reach a specific goal. Active. You are currently engaged in the job search process, actively looking for a new position and actively pursuing opportunities. Adapt. The ability to adjust or change oneself to fit new situations, environments, or demands. Admire. To feel respect and approval for someone or something. Advance. A request for a portion of your salary to be paid early, often due to an urgent personal need or financial emergency. The advantage. A specific skill, experience, or quality that sets you apart from other applicants and makes you a better fit for the job. Advocate. To publicly support or represent a cause, idea, or person, often implying a strong commitment to defending their interests. Affirm. To show or express a strong belief in or dedication to something such as an important idea. Aim. Your primary goal or objective in applying for the positional round, efficient in all respects, or referred to as a versatile person. Ambition. A strong desire or aspiration to achieve significant goals within a career. Amenable. Willing to accept or follow instructions, readily agreeable to suggestions, or open to being influenced by the company's needs and policies. Analyze. To carefully examine and interpret information, data, or a situation in detail to understand its components, patterns, and implications. Applicable. Relevant or fitting to the specific job or situation you are applying for. Applied. To request something, usually officially, especially in writing, or by sending in a form. Apply. To formally request something, usually a job, by submitting a written application, essentially stating your interest in the position and presenting your qualifications to be considered for it. Appoint. To formally select or designate someone for a specific job or position. Appreciate. To express gratitude for the opportunity to apply for the position. Approach. The method or strategy you plan to use to tackle the challenges or responsibilities of the position you are applying for. Appropriate, suitable, or fitting for the specific job or company you are applying to. Apt, suitable, or appropriate aptitude. A person's natural ability or potential to learn and excel in a specific area relevant to the job. Arrange. Plan, organize, or prepare. Artistic. Having a creative flair, a strong sense of aesthetics, and the ability to produce visually appealing or imaginative work, often related to design, presentation, or even problem-solving with a creative approach. Aspire. To have a strong desire or ambition to achieve something, typically a specific career goal or position within a company. Assert. To state or declare positively and often forcefully or aggressively. Assertive. Expressing your confidence, and ability to clearly state your qualifications and interest in the position, demonstrating a proactive approach and willingness to take initiative, while still maintaining respectfulness and not coming across as overly aggressive. Asset: a particular skill, experience, or quality that you possess, which would be valuable to the company and make you a positive contribution to their team. Assign: to transfer property to another, especially in trust or for the benefit of creditors too. Or to appoint to a post or duty, assign them to light duty. Astute: having or showing sharp intelligence, good judgment, and the ability to accurately assess situation. Audition: a short performance or demonstration of your skills, or a trial performance. Authentic: being genuine, truthful, and accurately representing your skills, experiences, and motivations. Authoritative: conveying a sense of expertise, knowledge, and confidence in a particular field. Authority: the power or right to make decisions, take action, or be responsible for something available. You are ready and willing to start working in the position you are applying for. Avid: the meaning of avid is characterized by enthusiasm and vigorous pursuit. Very eager and enthusiastic. Aware: the applicant is knowledgeable about or has a clear understanding of something specific related to the job or company. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate your patience for learning new. Hold your enthusiasm till next video where I will teach you more like this. Please support the content. Do like, share, and subscribe the channel for more content. Thank you. Have a great day.